Hello all. I welcome you all for today's session, which is Introduction to C Programming. In this session we are going to cover basics of C language, history and features of C language. In last session we have covered Introduction to Computer Program, Introduction to Programming Language and Types of Programming Language. In these types of programming language we have seen the low level programming language, assembly language, high level programming language, scripting language. Objectives of this session, that is introduce to programming using C language, understand the features of C programming language, and today's learning outcome, develop basic concepts of C programming language, demonstrate the basic knowledge of features in C programming language. In today's session we will cover the introduction to C programming language, features of C programming language, various character set used in C programming language, constant, variable and keywords, and comments in C program. Today we are going to start with the C language. First we will see the history of C language. ALGOL is a first computer programming language developed in 1960 by the International Group. Many other languages are developed, but they are not very useful. In 1967, BCPL developed by Martin Richards. In 1970, B language is developed by Ken Thompson. In 1972, Dennis Ritchie developed the new language by taking combined feature of ALGOL, BCPL and B language, which is called as C language. It is also referred as a traditional C language. It was mainly developed as a system programming language to write an operating system. It was specially developed to build the new operating system called Unix. C was originally developed at Bell Labs. After this traditional C language, many advancement is done. There were many other enhancement and standardization is done in C language. In 1978, the book is written by Cunningham and Ritchie based on traditional C, which was called K&R C. Then, in 1989, the standard is fixed for C language by ANSI committee. New name is given to this language as ANSI C. In 1990, International Organization for Standardization has fixed the standard for ANSI C language, which was also referred as ISO C. In 1999, the C99 is developed, previously known as C9X. It is the enhanced and new version of C90 with added feature for the language and the standard library, and has make use of better implementation of the available computer hardware. In 2011, C11 is developed, which is supported by common contemporary compilers and includes a detailed memory model to better support multiple threads of execution. Features of C programming language. C is a procedural programming language. It was initially developed by Dennis Ritchie in the year 1972. It was mainly developed as a system programming language to write an operating system. The main feature of C language include low-level access to memory, a simple set of keywords. These features make C language suitable for system programming like an operating system or compiler development. Procedural language. In a procedural language like C, step-by-step predefined instructions are executed. C program may contain more than one function to perform a particular task. Next is fast and efficient. In C programming language, it is a middle level language provides a programming access to direct manipulation with the computer hardware. Therefore, it is fast and efficient than higher level language. Next, modularity. The concepts of storing of C programming language code in the form of libraries for further uses are known as modularity. Next feature is statically typed. C programming language is statically typed language, meaning the type of variable is checked at the time of compilation but not at runtime. Means each time a programmer type a program, they have to mention the type of variable is used. C is general purpose language. From system programming to photo editing software, C programming language is used in various applications like operating system, database. Next is a rich set of built-in operators. It is diversified language with a rich set of built-in operators which are used in writing the complex or simplified C program. Next feature is libraries with rich function. In this, robust libraries and functions in C help even a beginner code or programmer to code with a comfort. Next, C is a middle level language. As it is a middle level language, it is having combined capabilities of assembly language and high level language. Next, portability. C language is portable as programs which are written in C language can run or compile on any system with either none or small change. And the last one is easy to extend. The programs written in C language can be extended, means when a program is already written in it, then some more features and operations can be added into it. Character set in C. What is character set? The character set is the basic element of any language and they are used to represent information. The character sets that are used in C programming are alphabets, digits, special character and white space character. In the alphabet, we are having A to Z alphabets in uppercase and A to Z alphabets in a lowercase. In digits, we are having 0 to 9. Here we are having a special characters like comma, dot, less than, greater than symbol, plus, minus, bracket, colon, and so on. In the white space character, here we are having a number of white space character. In this slash n, which is used to enter the new line, slash t, which is used to enter the tab. Next topic is C constant. Constants are like a variable, except that their value never changes during execution once it is defined. C constant is the most fundamental and essential part of the C programming language. Constants in C are the fixed values that are used in a C program, and its value remains the same during the entire execution of the C program. Constants are also called literals. Constants can be any of the data types. Here we are having two categories of constant, that is primary constant includes integer constant, real constant and character constants. Second category is secondary constant. It includes array, pointer, structure, union, etc. In this session, we are only going to learn about the primary constant. The first one is the integer constant. It's referring to a sequence of digits. Integers are of three types: decimal integer, or octal integer, or hexadecimal integer. It can be either signed or unsigned integer. Next, real or floating point constant. The number contain fractional parts like 0.25 are called as a real or floating point constant. Next, character constant. In this we are having two parts, that is single character or string characters. In a single character constant, it simply contains a single character enclosed with a single pair of quote. Character constants have a specific set of integer values known as ASCII value. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Next is a string constant. These are nothing but the sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes, and they may include letters, digits, special characters, blank spaces. Next topic is C variables. Variable is the name of memory location, or it is also called as identifier of memory location. This location is used to hold the value of the variable, or the naming of an address is known as variable. Variable is a name that can be used to store the values. Variable can take different values, but one at a time. These values can change during the execution of program. The size of variable depends on compiler to compiler. Good practice is to keep the name of the variable as short as can. In this example, the roll underscore number is the name of variable, which is used to store the value of the variable. You can see here, it is the name of roll number, which is used to store the value of variable. And this 2048 is the address of memory location where this value is stored, and this roll number is referred to that particular memory location.